In this video, I'm going to show you how to change USD to INR in Exness in mobile. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that you can't actually physically change it inside your account overall. However, you can open up a new trading account and then use INR as the currency on that account. So let me show you. As you can see at the bottom left, you want to go to the Accounts tab, and here you can see right now I have a demo standard account selected. If I tap on that arrow next to its name, you'll be able to see your account. So I have real accounts and I have demo accounts, and then there's the archived ones. Okay, of course, if I tap on demo, for example, you can see I have USD and then euro accounts. However, I don't have any accounts in INR just yet. So what you have to do to achieve this, you can't change it physically, so you can't change this currency neither in a real or demo account, but you can open up a new account which is going to be either demo or real that has INR as currency. So you have to tap either this plus button, as you can see at the very top right, or you can just be on the accounts tab and tap on the plus button at the top right as well. So tap on that. You'll have to select the account type you want to open. There's a bunch of different ones. Select the one that suits you most, and then tap on continue at the bottom. Here, there's the most important part. You have to select either real or demo account. I'm going to go for demo. And over here, you can see type and then currency. And under currency, I have USD as default. You have to tap on that and find the INR. As you can see, Indian rupee, it's over here. I'm going to tap on it. And there we go. I now have switched to INR. You can then set your leverage and platform as well and give it a nickname if you want to. Press continue. Set your password you're going to use for MetaTrader. And whenever you do that, let me actually show you. I'm going to paste in a password and I'm going to tap on create account. And now I do have an account which is using INR. I can go and deposit over here, and I can just deposit in however much I want, for example 10k, continue, and this is now the demo account which has 10k INR on it, and of course I can start using it. The same goes if you're using a real account, but of course you'll have to deposit real money on there. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.